Hi everyone, welcome back to episode 3. So today we're going to talk about pages. So pages in Notion is a bit different compared to things like Google Documents or Microsoft Word. So pages works more like a website. You can see here we have a basic pages here. So when you create new pages in Notion, first of all you have to put in a title, and then you can select icons, or you can just leave it blank, and then Notion even recommend you some templates you can use. Or if you want to change it into a database, which we'll cover in the topic later. And next we have the subpages. So you can see in the back breadcrumbs, right? So you have general, new page, and new pages, new subpage. So this works very similarly like a website. And lastly, we have a sidebar. So in Notion by default, you have a sidebar on the left side. So you can see you can choose your theme spaces, your data. So in my case, I can go from here. You can see all my sidebar pages here. So for now, I'm going to try to create a pages here. So I'm going to do slash and then type PAGE. So you can see that there are a lot of different selections, but I'm going to just create a page. Once you click select, Notion automatically prompts you to new page. You can see that title, and then this is where you can type out things. So in essence, pages is just kind of like a Google document. But one of the caveat that people might get confused, especially when they first use Notion, is that for Google Documents, when you share with someone, right, you can share and then select people. So you can just share as a public as well. You can give them a link. So the main difference between pages versus Google Document is that the person itself needs to have a Notion account before they can edit the Notion pages. So you can't just like publish the page. Oh, here's the link I'm going to share with you, and then they can edit it. So this is the main difference with Google Documents. On to the next topic.